Congratulations to our friends. That also does not mean that others did not also display that habit well either. So I think everyone deserves a round of applause. And without further ado, I'm going to hand it off to our third grade.
Thank you. Good morning, Maryville.
Good morning, Miss Bailey.
The student I have selected for this award truly embodies the meaning of synergy. Synergizing isn't just about working together. It's about valuing others, encouraging teamwork, and making our classroom a better place for everyone. This student is thoughtful, considerate, and always goes out of their way to help others. Whether it's offering a kind word, lending a helping hand, or simply making sure everyone feels included, they lift up those around them. They don't just make good choices themselves, they encourage their classmates to do the same, leading with kindness, positivity, and teamwork. During our STEM fair, this student showed what it means to be a great teammate by supporting others' ideas during the poster making process and helping his group work together to create something they were proud of. He listened carefully, encouraged his peers, and made sure everyone's voice was heard. He was also a leader during our recent field trip, sharing his knowledge and making sure everyone felt included in the learning and the experience. His actions remind us that when we work together and support one another, we can all achieve more. Congratulations to Oliver.
Down to your chin.
No.
Wait.
Are you smiling? Okay.
Good job, Oliver.
Morning, Dragons.
Good morning,
Morning, parents. Happy Habits Synergize reminds us of the power of working together. It teaches us that when we listen to each other, share our strengths, and support each other, we can achieve something truly special. Synergy is about kindness, teamwork, and bringing out the best in one another. The student receiving this award shows this beautiful habit every single day. She is always ready to help, offering support with a smile and a positive attitude. She stays on top of her own work while still making time for others, and she genuinely enjoys collaborating with her classmates. Our willingness to include everyone makes a real difference in our classroom. Today, we celebrate a student who reminds us how meaningful teamwork can be. She shows us that by working together and caring for one another, we all can succeed. The Happy Habits 6 award goes to Brooklyn!
Good morning, Dragons!
Good morning, Miss.
All right, I love giving awards. All right, these students that I'm going to talk about today constantly demonstrate what it means to work collaboratively, valuing ideas, strengths, and perspectives of others around them. They understand that success isn't just about individual achievement, but about lifting others up and building something greater as a team. Whether they are solving problems, working in groups, or supporting their classmates through STEM fair projects, reading, social studies posters, etc. They approach every opportunity with open minds, positive attitudes, and willingness to listen and grow. What makes these two so deserving of this recognition is their ability to turn teamwork into something powerful. They just don't participate, they inspire cooperation, they inspire encouraging others, and they help create an environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Because of them, our classroom is stronger and more connected. Today, we celebrate their accomplishments, not only for their synergizing, but how they bring people together. That reminds us that when we combine our strengths, amazing things can happen. Congratulations to Nidhi. And Tyler.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mr. Nakagawa.
The Six Habits Synergize ask students to show how together is truly best. By being open, listening to others, being respectful of their ideas, and creating that open, comfort, and welcoming community. This way, you can work together to help solve problems that you can't solve just by yourself. The student that I have chosen is someone that I have seen that knows how to synergize well, whether they realize it or not. This student works well in many different groups, choosing always to be an open ear, listening to what other members have to say. If something doesn't come out right, it's not straight to blaming. Instead, they work with others to figure out what's the problem and to fix it. I have seen the student work well with any person that I've paired them up with, no matter what the subject is. And that shows me that they always want to do their best, no matter what it is. So please, join me in congratulating Amina.
Let's do another big round of applause for our Congratulations. I know you all worked so hard and we're so proud of you. I want to do a big round of applause to say thank you to our awesome parents. Let's do a bigger round of applause than that. Thank you so much, parents, for coming and supporting your children. It means so much to show up and to be there to support them. Thank you so much. And without further ado, that does conclude our awards assembly for Synergize. Our next habit is going to be Sharpen the Saw. And who are we going to see introduce that? That's right. I'm very excited for that as well. Alrighty, my friends, I would like you to look to your teacher for your next